wait. Before we get into the video, I have an announcement to make. I have a new game on my fan group on Roblox. It's basically just a hangout game. You can do whatever you want. Here is the link to it. The link is in the description below, and it is now on the screen. So yeah, I'm hoping that you will enjoy the game. I mean, you can do what you want, okay? Now we are going to go on to the video.
I'm white. I'm black. I'm yellow. I'm red.
Welcome back to another video on the Leah Plays YouTube channel. So today we're playing meepcity and I'm going to do a gift explosion. But there is a fan in the game and she's right behind me. Oh my god, right. I'm just going to tell her that I'm recording. Right. I'm going to start it once, right, this is her. If you're watching this, then hi, everyone, yeah. Right, we've got to do it. Hold on. Right. This is like 2 minutes, so they've got a lot of time. You recording live. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. This is how to get attention in meepcity. Oh, I'm no joking. Right. Next time you should find your mum instead of being in mine. What? I'm sorry, what? What the hell? That is mental. Fart in face. What the hell? That is mental. Don't mind the taps, by the way. Leah Plays is Mr. Beast or something. I'm not Mr. Beast. I'm not a man, but okay. Can't believe that person. Who is that? Who said that? Happy Pal. How much seconds? 86. Fair enough. Come on. Come on. Come in. Too many emos. I'm the only one with colour here. What is going on? I'm not an emo. Oh, people are just arguing. This is like work at a pizza place, but instead of that, it's just like argue at a pizza place or something. English or Spanish, who move is gay? I'm not gay. I can tell by your avatar, mate. As soon as I said I'm not gay, Nope said I can tell by your avatar, mate. What? Oh well, Ghost is moving. Go chase something, but go to Sephora. Right, we got 10 seconds. Mate, come on, get in the circle. Get in the circle. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now, how much? 21. Shocking. Everybody here's so creative. Real. We're starting in a bar, but I am poor this time. So that is sad. Oh, she's coming back. She's coming back. Hey, Pookie. Right. What's she saying? Are you recording live or what do I say? Just a normal vid. Oh, I've just earned 75 coins. Oh, alright. Doing another. We're doing another. Yippee! It's just gonna be like, this one is gonna be short because why not? Right, here we go. Again. Right, who's gonna come? Who's gonna come? Who's gonna come? People are coming again. What? In what way? Whoa. Wee! Another! Oh my god, my phone is literally lagging. I was about to save up my Roblox, but I didn't, so that's sad. I miss when this game wasn't filled with emos. You have a point. Oh, and it went off. 23. That's more. Yay! Right, I'm gonna run away. I'm running away. Running and running and running. Oh no! Emos, get out of here. Right, get away! Please. I don't care if my gift explosion went off. I best do. Right, I played this game when it came out. That is amazing. That is shocking. What are you saying? Someone asked me to do another one. I can do another. Right, but it's gotta be my last one because I've did 4. But I've only did like 3 on camera. Who's a game creator here? Not me. I might look like one because of my gift explosions, but yeah. Right, she's just got to stand there. We're doing another. My last one. Look at 40 Robux. I need to get more. Yes. Right. Last chance. Last chance to get one. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god. Slay. About to hit 100 mil. That is good for you. Come on, Jaden. Hit 100 mil. Hit it for me. Come on. Hi, Amy. Just saying nice. We've got like 20 seconds left. Usually got to max out. Like, I'm gonna get like 13,000 or something. I don't know. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 22. Yeah. That's all, folks. Bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. I've got 750. Oh my god. People are following. Carl. Hey. Oh, Carl's saying hi. Let's go say hi, Carl. Come. Okay. What are you doing? What do you want? Oh. Where's he taking me? No, bye. Oh, wait. Nah, man, where's he going? Someone said babe in this chat. What? Lovely avatar. It says womp womp. Right. Accept my ad. I literally can't. I don't know you. No. Bye. Right, so this is going to be the end of the video. Thanks for watching me and there's Stars and there's Carl. We're going to end the video with Stars and Carl. Stars, if you're watching this, hi. I'm Leah, as you know. This is my voice, obviously. No, Carl, I won't accept your friend request. Right, thank you for watching and bye.
Los pingüinos me la van a mascar. Kawasaki, Kago, Crico y Stripper.